Hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how can you prepare your garden in a thunderstorm like this. Although I don't hear some thunders, that's just heavy rainfall. But yeah, today I'm gonna teach you how can you prepare for these scenarios like raining. So if you can hear that, but yeah. So number one, you need to elevate your pots, okay, or plants actually, because if there's flood in your area or your house is prone to floods, you may wanna evacuate it by placing pipes, metal pipes or plastic pipes, or anything that you may put them, okay, in an elevated area. The reason is you may drown the roots and also welcome some mold, fungi, and also leptospirosis. That is the disease that you may get from a rat. It is really well-known disease here in the Philippines, so you're gonna need to elevate it. If you're in the low-lying area, you may wanna evacuate it or elevate it. Number two, shelter your plants. Except if your plants are or loves a really soggy soil. I mean, it's not soggy. Waterlogged soil like kangkong, because they're semi-aquatic, put them in the rain. But if it gets too intense, you may wanna shelter them. Especially those who doesn't want their soil to be soggy, like eggplants, okras, and tomatoes. Now, in these scenarios, you may wanna shelter it in your garage. If you don't have a garage, put them indoors. You may wanna place a tarpaulin, a mat, so that you may protect the tiles. If you have a tiles, or you wanna protect your floor to be from scratches, and also those soil that may fall out. Number three, shelter also your tools or put them indoors. If you have a toolbox or tool shed, that's fine. Put them in. For me, I put them against the wall so that the wind cannot blow it and become a projectile. Also, I recommend when you tying your plants, okay? Tie your plants in some stick, okay? Number four, do not fertilize, okay? Do not fertilize your plants because the rain will just wash it. However, if your plants, like me, is sheltered, you're gonna need to be careful if you're gonna fertilize them right away. Rain droplets, they may also enter if you're in the open area. However, it is sheltered. So yeah, do not also fertilize. I don't fertilize because the water, the raindrops, and also the flood may just drain all the nutrients and also beneficial bacteria. So don't fertilize yet, okay? Number five, plant on schedule. I'm gonna make a detailed video about this. Wait for that. Okay, or if you're maybe following me on Facebook, you may I may post it. Number six, use a well drained soil or well drained soil. Those ones are carbonized rice hull, cocoa pit, or anything that will drain your soil quickly, okay? Some sort of conditioner, okay? Soil conditioner. So yeah, do not use clay soil because it will create a moldy and it will create pond and eventually make mosquitoes nest in your plant. So you don't want that thing for happening. And number seven, this is totally optional. You may wanna install apps. That's the optional. However, you may just, if you have a phone like me, my phone already has a weather forecast system, so it will detect if it will rain. So yeah, because at the news they will say isolated rain showers. Now that is also good. So that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Always hit the like in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is Ed Cashel signing out together with the Rage.